What if every gift lit a star? Tonight, the sky remembers. In the longest night, warmth travels fastest. A hand opens, a paw leans in, an alien eye glows, and with quiet trust, and the dark steps back. Listen, bells breathing through winter air, a heartbeat under snow. One spark becomes a constellation. Across cities, forests, and orbiting rings, small suns change hands. No sermon, no score, just light shared freely. Let your house be a lighthouse, let your table be orbit. If the night is long, make it crowded with stars. In giving, we do not diminish. In giving, we become infinite. The forest keeps a ledger of warmth. In winter long, gifts aren't wrapped, they're woven. Mira, a shepherd girl, braids dawn into a scarf that never cools. She drapes it over an old stag, whose breath steams like prayer. The herd settles, the cold hesitates. Their village guards the ember tree. Its fruit, small suns, ripens only when generosity moves unseen. So Mira leaves bread by doorways, mends cloaks by moonlight, tucks notes of courage into children's boots. The tree watches and waits. Tonight, the stag bows, branches flare, red gold orbs kindle along bare wood, animals gather, fox, owl, lynx, eyes reflecting hearthlight. Mira breaks a fruit's glow into lanterns and hangs them on antlers. The herd becomes a moving constellation, guiding travelers through white silence. No proclamation, no price, only warmth. Snow crystals sing like tiny bells. Villagers wake to soft light, breathing across drifts. Strangers step inside, shaking frost from eyelashes, finding their names carried in flame. Mira smiles, tired, bright. She knows the tree is emptier and the valley fuller. In winterlong, they say, you don't own a gift. You let it pass through you. Tomorrow, footprints vanish, lanterns gutter, but the path remains. The warm corridor others can find when storms return. Give once and you change a night. Give again and you change the weather of a world. Between two trenches, a candle. Christmas Eve, 1914, the Western Front, a wound of mud and wire. Across that distance, a carol climbs the night. First one voice, then many. Men who were silhouettes in a sightline become impossibly choirs. Someone lifts a candle above the parapet. The line doesn't fire. It warms. They step forward, careful, hands open. They share bread, tobacco, buttons, a photograph of a sister who skated when the lake froze, a stray dog, rib-thin, uncertain circles, then settles between uniforms stitched by different flags. For a few hours, enemies become neighbors, borrowing matches. Gifts are ceasefires, the heart signs first. A tin cup passes, a soccer ball skids on frozen mud. Laughter lifts cold breath into stars. The dog's tail thumps against boots that do not retreat. No treaty wrote that night, but memory did, decades later. Survivors recall the human temperature of it. The awkward smiles, the swapped carols, the trembling relief of being simply alive, together. They returned to trenches, yes. History's weight didn't evaporate, but something subtracted from the darkness and lodged like a small, stubborn star behind the ribs. Elsewhere, a nurse boiled soup until morning. She ladled warmth into blackened mugs. For anyone who reached the door, friend, foe, or stranger, The dog followed her for years, sleeping under the stove, dreaming by the ashes' glow. What we share outlives the night, a candle over wire, a bowl of soup, a dog choosing a hearth. These are not footnotes, they are coordinates, and every December we find them again by their heat. Above the winter planet, a ring of lights. On Solstice Station, humans and 3 allied species keep a custom, the exchange of small suns. Each person grows a micro-lamp, biolumens cultured in a glass seed. The rule is simple. You cannot keep your own light. A child from Nairobi trades her lamp with a feathered Cathari elder, whose throat songs make the corridor hum. An ocean-born Easeline, translucent, water-veined, offers their lamp to an injured courier drone that has never known a holiday. Its optic warms from cold blue to amber. It lingers. The physics of giving is exponential. As lamps are exchanged, the habitat brightens in a traveling wave. Dark windows blush awake. Later, a hull breach alarm whispers, danger, not disaster. People move, calm, practiced. A stoic alien officer welds with blistered fingers. A human engineer presses a lamp into her palm. Mine now, yours to keep. Weariness softens into a smile. By night's end, the ring is a halo of traded warmth. In the arboretum, humans and rescued earth animals, foxes, a husky, parrots, curl beside gentle alien creatures under heat trees. The courier drone hovers near, scattering small stars across the glass. Everyone knows the rule. No one leaves with the light they brought. And somehow, everyone leaves brighter. Earth turns below, a blue ornament in velvet. The station dims its corridors and amplifies the starfield. Shadows lean in. The lamps hold their ground. In giving, we become infinite, and infinity, tonight, looks like home. You don't run out of light by lighting another candle. Here is winter's hidden code. Giving is not subtraction, it's replication. Share warmth, and 2 systems glow. The forest knew it, the trenches learned it, the station proves it. So, how do we live this? Without magic trees or orbital rings. Start small. The physics, scales. Give attention. In a world that scrolls, presence is rare. Pause, look up. Let someone finish the sentence they're building a life out of. Give shelter, a spare room, a ride, a coat. You won't solve the season. You'll soften it. Give forgiveness. It's the unwrapped gift that keeps its shine, and give across species. Animals understand winter's ledger. They read warmth with their whole bodies. Offer it and watch eyes change. This isn't sentiment, it's ecology. A fed stray becomes a companion. A rescued bird becomes a morning song. Compassion is infrastructure. Extend the circle beyond comfort. Write to someone who thinks differently. Trade lamps instead of opinions. Plant a food forest on a forgotten corner. Host your own exchange of small suns. Each guest brings something they can't keep and gives it to the one who needs it most. Make generosity tangible, visible, repeatable. Give what you can, then give what you are. Skills count, time counts, listening counts. And when you feel empty, because even kindness has tides, remember, we are not reservoirs, we are rivers. The source is upstream of us. Faith, community, music, silent walks in snow, stargazing with a hot mug, these refill the current this season. Let your house be a lighthouse, let your table be orbit, let your hands be antlers, carrying lanterns into someone's dark. In giving, we don't disappear. We multiply. If the night is long, make it crowded with stars, people, animals, aliens. The categories were never walls, only windows. When we give, we look through and remember, we belong to each other, not by ownership, by overflow. This is the season of small suns. Tie yours to a stranger's path. Tuck it in a pocket you'll never see again. Hang it on the antlers of the world. Every gift is a map home. From the forest to the front to the future ring. One truth holds. The universe widens whenever we open our hands. And infinity is not far away. It's as near as your next act of warmth. In giving, we become infinite. Let the sky remember. Let the streets reflect it. Let the quiet rooms learn its glow. Tonight, may your light find another and return multiplied.